Valentine's Day is here, boys and girls. That one day of the year when chocolates and flowers cost more than my Coaster subscription. And every single app reminds me that I am single again. And as a successful developer, it's my favorite festival of the year. Not because I'm single again, because I already spent all my time with languages that kinda acts like my girlfriend anyway. So let's finally answer the age-old question that keeps developers like me awake at night. What if programming languages were your dates? Python. Python is that calm, understanding girl that you don't have to try too hard. 30 minutes a day and everything is fine. She's dynamic, which means she forgets small mistakes. No need to declare your feelings or variables. She loves reliability and she is easy to talk to. In simple words, Python is a great partner. No drama, great at understanding when you mess up. Verdict: perfect wifey material. Java is old school and follows all the rules. Lots of structure, long paths and classy vibes. Everything is explicit. You write long vows, long class names and long declarations of love. Because she wants commitment paperwork. And make one tiny mistake and suddenly you're paying alimony, emotional one. Verdict: only marry if you can handle it. JavaScript. JavaScript is fun, flashy and super friendly until it ghosts you. It's asynchronous, meaning it will say, I will call you back, and it never does. Callbacks, broken promises, async heartbreaks, it's an emotional roller coaster. One day, everything is perfect. The next day, it's undefined. I mean, it can be very good and sweet with the right framework, and I mean with bold text, right framework. So if you want fun but chaotic breakup patch-up relationship, JavaScript is your cup of coffee. C++. C++ is the youngest brat in the C family. Kinda like the Kardashians, if Kardashians were some kind of programming language family, I don't know. And you can't make small mistakes because they have huge consequences. Memory management is key. Make one tiny error and it remembers forever with no second chances. It's powerful, old school and very intense. So good luck. And if you survive this relationship, you become a legend, a Sigma Alpha legend man. But man, it's painful. Verdict: very tough love that builds character. Your choice, I don't know one to tell you, I can't tell you. So now you know which language is your true soulmate and which one will ghost you harder than LinkedIn. Come on, that one was funny. You gotta give me that. And if you're still single like me, then brother from another mother, I love you in a brotherly way. Okay. See you next time. Bye.